I'm Chanel Beck and I'm here to answer all your questions about the Mermade styling range. I personally love the primer so much because I feel like it cuts down my drying time. It almost gives my hair that like virgin feeling where it's really light and airy, but it's still got so much shine, and I know my hair is fully protected from the heat as well. Yeah, it's honestly the most amazing product I've ever used. Prepping your hair is so important. I mean, let's peel it back to skincare. If we're not priming our skin correctly, if we're not exfoliating our skin correctly, we're not gonna get a nice clean canvas to work with. Nothing's gonna hold, nothing's gonna stick. So again, like priming your hair is essentially gonna give you the most volume that you're gonna get in a blow dryer, a long lasting wave. It's gonna contour your wave, it's gonna hold your blowouts. So really good primer with a heat protectant as well is key to a beautiful hairstyle. We hope you love your healthier, happier strands with our Mermade styling system.